If you want to stay anonymous on X, formerly known as Twitter, the most important thing is to set everything up in a way that cannot be traced back to your real identity. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest beginner-friendly approach step by step, so you can create an account with much better privacy from the very beginning. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tech guides, and let's get into it. First, never use your primary email address, your personal email, or your work email. If you do that, you immediately create a link between your real identity and your X account. Instead, create a fresh anonymous email account that is only for this purpose. The best approach is to use a brand new email that does not contain your real name, your usual usernames, or any details that could be connected to you. Keep it separate from every account you already use. Once you have that anonymous email ready, go to X and begin the sign-up process. When X asks you to verify your account, use your email instead of a phone number whenever possible. A phone number is much easier to connect back to a real person, so if the platform gives you an email option, choose that route. The goal here is to reduce the amount of personal data attached to the account from the very start. Next, you need to choose a username and display name that cannot be traced back to you. Do not use your real name, your nickname, your gaming handle, your business name, or anything you have reused on other websites. Also avoid usernames that include your birthday, your location, your hobbies, or your usual pattern of naming accounts. Pick something completely unrelated and generic so it doesn't stand out or point back to you. The same rule applies to the display name. Keep it neutral, unconnected, and separate from your real-world identity. A good anonymous setup also means avoiding profile details that reveal who you are. That includes your profile photo, bio, banner image, website link, and location field. If you want better privacy, keep those fields as minimal and generic as possible. The less identifying information you attach to the account, the harder it becomes to connect it to you. It also helps to think about your behavior on the platform. Even if your account looks anonymous, posting personal details, following only people you know, or reposting content tied to your real life can still give you away. So keep your account activity separate from your personal online identity. Use it for the purpose you created it for, and be careful about anything that could create a connection. For the best results, also make sure your browser, device habit, and login method stay consistent with your privacy goals. The more you mix anonymous activity with your normal personal accounts, the easier it is to leave clues behind. So keep this account isolated and treat it like a separate identity online. And that's the basic step-by-step process for making an anonymous X account. Use a fresh anonymous email, verify with email instead of a phone number, and choose a username and display name that cannot be traced back to you. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.